Welcome back, yachties. You can see it's very tense here. We're in front of Force 11. Shista will not be pleased. Now, against better advice, we've taken the reef line out because we're not keen on the amount of drag that it offers. Capelia probably out in front at the moment. And then swinging all the way around, we've got
I know Ray's got the same plan. People like Janara and Ricky.
Yeah.
Working too.
The rest of them down here. We're just passing these guys at the moment because we've got a secret weapon up. So here we come, Tauranga. Should take a while. Hope they don't run out of ice.
Last longer.
Catch you a bit later, yachties. See if Shista's be able to get in front of us.